It's been said that the greatest coaches weren't always the greatest players, and it's also been said that the greatest players don't always make the greatest coaches. I'm going to give you 3 examples of each, just to prove it. 3 of the greatest coaches in NFL history never played professional football. They are Vince Lombardi, Bill Walsh, and Paul Brown. They are 3 of the winningest coaches ever, but never played their sport professionally. But how about 3 of the greatest players in history that didn't turn into be great coaches? Those are Magic Johnson, Larry Bird, and Michael Jordan. They all tried their hand at coaching, and while Bird had the most success, he never guided his team to a championship. So why am I telling you this? Because I want to tell you about Dr. Karim Ellis and the GPS Your Way to Success coaching class. Dr. Karim not only is a great player, but he's also a great coach. This is a person who gets up on stage all around the world and crushes it time after time, but then gets in the classroom and teaches his students how to do just that. I know that sounds like a big leap, but I promise you, from start to finish, you're going to learn everything you need to know, and he's going to stay with you every step of the way. He's going to teach you how to tell your story, but more importantly, how to turn your story into a message that will help other people. Because if you're anything like me, that's what you're hoping to do. Getting up on stage and getting notoriety and making money from speaking is great, but helping other people is really where it's at. And that's really what Dr. Karim is all about. I highly recommend Dr. Karim Ellis and the GPS Your Way to Success coaching, because he is the person who can get you from start to finish to know what you need to do, to know how to do it, to know where to do it, and know why to do it. He's done it himself, and he can help you just like he's helping me and many others. Once again, I highly recommend Dr. Karim Ellis and the GPS Your Way to Success coaching. Give him a call, give him a try. Trust me, you won't regret it.